Hulk is going crazy and destroying the city. What are we gonna do? We've got to find a way to save everyone. If we're gonna stop that giant green guy, we'll need a superhero. Transform! Transform! You've got this, bro. Bricks ready? Battle! Let us begin! I'll build the chassis first. I need to make it super strong for the battle. Next, I'll build the front, putting these Lego pieces together one by one. I can't forget the driver's cabin. I'll also add the roof, doors, and some super powerful weapons. Add the wheels. And the truck is finished. Lego City is waiting for us. I've got to build this super truck fast so we can take down Giant Hulk. To beat Hulk, I need some seriously strong armor for this truck. The front is done, now I'll build the rear section. I'm adding the most powerful weapons to my super truck, and I'll add these two bat wings too. Ha ha ha! I'll send these spiders to steal Leo's Lego pieces. Ha ha ha! Check out my truck! Isn't it awesome? What? What the heck is that? Where did these spiders come from? This is so annoying. Now check this out. 2, 3, throw! Got it. I'm gonna teach you a lesson. We've got an emergency. Let's go save Lego City! Help me! Somebody please help me! I'll save them! Yeah, come on! We've got to pull this building out! Yeah, the building moved! Thanks, Leo! Oh no! Hulk's rock smashed the truck! What are we gonna do? Don't worry, I've got this! Spider-Man, transform! The ropes holding Hulk are about to snap. We've got to find a way to trap him. Hey, Nana, come and catch me. Weapons ready. Fire! All right, get ready. Let's take him down. We caught Hulk. Hulk is small again. Taking him down will be easy. Let me handle it. Wait, King! Let the police deal with him. The police are here. Get him! What? What is this? These boxes look so cool! Mission: get the passengers on the last flight home safely. Easy! I'll build a super plane. Don't get too confident. Just wait. Bricks ready? Battle! Let us begin! Let's open the box and see what we've got. I'll build a luxury business class cabin with everything the passengers need, including comfy seats and lots of food and drinks. Next is the economy cabin. I'll have the seats and build the cockpit. Oh, almost forgot. We need to connect it to the business class cabin in the back. The plane's frame is done. I'll cover the plane with gold pieces to make this aircraft look super strong and powerful. My turn. Let's dump all the Lego pieces out. Time to build my awesome plane. I'll put these Lego pieces together. Can you guess which part of the plane I'm building? It's the front of the plane. Boom! Next, I'll build the passenger cabin. Leo here. This is my plane. I'll add the 2 wings, build the body, and attach the front section too. The plane is finished.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Now let's move on to the first challenge. Let's get moving! The passengers are lining up to board the plane. Ah, the plane is here. Let's get on board. But there aren't enough seats, so some passengers have to sit somewhere else. Oh no! It's overloaded! One of the wings broke! What are we going to do? Ha ha ha! That tiny little plane thinks it can carry all those passengers. Check out my awesome plane! The passengers are finding their seats in the cabin. The business class passengers are seated in their assigned seats too.
Whoa! Oh my God!
All the passengers are on board. Time to take off. Let's move on to the second challenge. I'll put the plane on this ramp, let it slide down, and launch it into the sky. Let's get these passengers to safety.
Nope.
What? Why did it break apart like that? We're not gonna make it in time for the last flight. Leo, your plane is terrible. Watch my super plane get all the passengers to safety. The plane is landing. All the passengers have arrived safely. Leo, we missed the deadline because of you. I'm really sorry, passengers.
Bruh.
Ha ha ha. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome challenges. See you next time. Enjoy holding that trophy, Leo. Your messy truck only won last time because you got lucky. Watch this. This time I'll get revenge for CR7. Then get ready to lose again. Bricks ready? Battle! Let us begin! Go! I have to finish my camper before him, and it's going to be the coolest one. Time to pick the perfect Lego pieces for my camper. I'll build the chassis first, connect all the Lego pieces, then install this super powerful engine. Boom! One more piece! Next, I'll build the front of the camper. Time to add the rest of the parts. Here, attach the door. Install the cockpit. Put on the roof. Add the 4 wheels. King here, watch me build. Wow, King is building pretty fast. Aha, I've got an idea.
A few moments later.
Where? Wow! It's really Ronaldo! That's my idol! I can't believe it! Ronaldo! I'm your biggest fan! Wait, what? Oh my gosh! That's not the real Ronaldo! It was all fake, I can't believe it! Leo, what's going on? Why did you trick me? Calm down, King, I didn't do anything! You're going to pay for this! Stop! King, that's a foul! Face the wall for a penalty! What? Why me? Go take your punishment. Fine. I'd better finish this camper quickly. Here's the cockpit. I'll attach it to the body and finish the rest of the build. Add another wheel. Done! My camper is complete. What? Time's up already? Oh no! I better get back.
Round 1.
Ronaldo camper must kick the ball into the target hole. Ouch, my head! Let's kick another one! Ha ha Haha, see that, Leo? So close. Now it's Messy Camper's turn. Goal! Let's go! Another goal! Goal! Final shot. Can Messy Camper score again? Yeah! Another goal! King, who's the champion now?
Round 2.
Whoever scores the most goals wins! Missed that one! Missed again! Haha! You're definitely losing! Alright, I'll fire up the boosters and blast this ball as hard as I can. Yeah! It's gone in! Messy Camper is the best! Is that so? Ronaldo Camper is about to show everyone who's the real champion. Let's go! Another goal! Woo! Come on, score it! No! Oh yeah! I knew it! Ronaldo Camper never misses! Give me that trophy! It belongs to me! No! I'm the winner! Leo, give it back! If you want to see who really wins, don't forget to like and subscribe for the next episode. Bye! Wow, my plane is so awesome! You're such a bumpkin, Leo! Get rid of this! Oh no! My plane! Hey King, pay me back for my Lego plane right now! If you beat me at a Lego building challenge, I'll replace it for you! Okay, let's do this! Bricks ready! Battle! Let us begin! Let's play rock, paper, scissors to pick one of these two plane boxes. Let's get started! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Yeah, I won! The golden airplane box is mine! Crap! How did that happen? Guess I'll just take this one then. Let's begin! Let's dump out these Lego pieces. I'll start by building the very first seats of this plane. Then comes the frame, the doors, and the windows. Wow, the golden details of the plane are starting to show up. Building this model is way too easy for me. I'm already halfway done with the plane. Now I'm going to build the business class cabin. Almost done, let's go! Just a few more pieces to go. Wow, now it's my turn to build. My plane might be small, but it's pretty sleek too. Let's arrange the seats neatly. I'm too fast, too dangerous. Finally, I'm done. Let's test out this plane. Oh, King, the wind is blowing so hard. Everything is starting to shake. Oh no! Leo's plane is completely smashed to pieces. Sorry about that, Leo. My plane is just too powerful. King, just you wait. Ha ha ha, loser. Now I have to sit down and rebuild my model all over again. Now let's jump into our first challenge. In this challenge, each of us will use our plane to pop 3 balloons. Whoever successfully pops all 3 balloons wins. Let's have King go first. Wow! King's plane took off and easily destroyed all 3 balloons.
Oh my God!
Leo's turn! Let's go! Oh no! Leo's plane crashed and smashed to pieces. What the heck happened? Guys. No worries. Move on to the next challenge with me. Let's get started. Okay! King and Leo will have to pick up passengers and drop them off at their final destination. Whoever gets them there first wins. Welcome aboard, everyone! The passengers are enjoying the onboard services very comfortably.
Attendants, prepare for takeoff, please.
Meanwhile, Leo's plane is super cramped and smelly. Ew! right, let's take off. Let's go, King. Huh, is that a storm right ahead of us? Oh, King's plane is shaking violently. King is handling the plane really well. Keep it up. Ah, somebody help us. Oh no, one of King's wings snapped and it's nosediving. Ah! Oh no, King's plane is completely smashed. Leo's plane made it out of the storm safely. Leo passed this challenge brilliantly. Ha ha ha! I won this challenge! Why did this happen? Like and subscribe to see the next challenges. Toy Story is seriously so good! The characters feel so alive! Whoa! What's going on? Oh no! Jessie is being kidnapped by Lotso and Lilypad! King and Leo have to build a rig to go rescue Jessie! Bricks ready! Battle! Let us begin! Wow! Let's get on it, Leo! Time to dump out the Legos! Let's put the first pieces together! Let's get these tiny details done first! Build fast! Super fast! This chassis is a piece of cake to finish! I gotta speed up! Gotta go faster! Almost done with the front end. Come on, let's go. Just a few more details left. Yeah, the chassis is finally done. Your turn, Leo. I'm gonna build super fast too. We gotta pick up the pace on this part. The engine parts are tricky, so be super careful. Just a bit more. The engine is almost done. Hurry, we gotta rush. Yeah, check it out, guys. It's almost ready. Just the extra accessories left. Huh? This Lego piece is tiny. I need a magnifying glass. Oh no! Where did it go? Shoot, I gotta go grab some more bricks. Oh no, the sunlight went right through the magnifying glass and beamed straight at Leo's butt. Oh my gosh! Leo's butt is on fire! Good lord! Help me! Save me! Somebody help me!
What the dog do?
Ah! There's a water bucket right here! Thank goodness! Oh my god!
Huh?
Wait, what's wrong with you, King? I don't even want to talk about it. Let's just keep building! Let's finish up this truck! Let's finish the Woody truck! Let's change the scene to the Toy Story bedroom. Time to save Jessie! Wait, why are there 3 boxes here? Let's use the laser to blast the middle box. Huh? Is that Lilypad? You guys got tricked! See ya! Get back here! Oh no! The road is completely covered in balloons! Let's clear these balloons out! The Woody truck will use a whip to pop each balloon. Buzz Lightyear will use his laser to destroy them. Just a few left. Hurry up! Blast them all to pieces! Oh no! Gotta run! Stop right there! Let's go rescue Jessie!
Help me!
You guys stand no chance of getting up here.
Round 1.
Oh no! Save me, Buzz! The Woody truck got taken down by the balloons! I got this! The Buzz Lightyear truck
Round 2.
deploys its wings! Then it takes off, heading straight for Lotso. Lotso tries to block Buzz with balloons, but it's no use.
Oh no! I gotta run!
Where do you think you're going? Yeah! Lotso is totally wrecked! I'm here to save you, Jesse!
Yeah, I'm saved.
Let me go!
Served you right, you jerk! Yeah, we did it! If you want to see more challenges, make sure to like and subscribe.